I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up notifications can help you stay on top of your TD Online account activity. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your TD Online account. Before changing your settings, use the etrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to open the settings page. Step 3. Select Notification Preferences. In the Account Settings, find the Notification Preferences section. Click on it to view your options for notifications. Step 4. Choose your notification types. You'll see various types of notifications you can enable, such as transaction alerts, balance updates, and security notifications. Check the boxes for the notifications you want to receive. Note: make sure to check your email settings to ensure you receive notifications, as some users miss alerts due to incorrect email addresses. Step 5. Save your changes. After selecting your desired notifications, scroll down and click the Save Changes button to apply your settings. Now you're all set to receive notifications on your TD Online account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.